Welcome to the St. Petersburg Collegiate High School Electrolysis Lab and Demo. While I am trying to get a few kinks worked out of this, I did want to show you what I've got so far, especially the technique I've been using to fill the test tube and set the whole contraption up. So I've got two test tubes here zip tied together. I've got our cup with thumbtacks in the bottom. That's going to be our hold the solution and act as the battery terminals. We have a 9-volt battery, and then we also have the baking soda water, 1 molar sodium bicarbonate. Alright, so what I've been doing is over a sink filling up each of the test tubes. Now the goal here is for them to be totally full once everything's put together, or at least have the same exact amount of space in them so that you can tell if one of them is filling with gas faster than the other. Now this is a little bit tricky, but what I've been doing is filling them completely up, putting the cup on top here, pressing it down, and giving it a flip. And once you sit it down here, you can take a look at your bubbles in the top and see if they're even. If you got one that's got a little less bubble in the top, I'm not sure if that comes through on the video, but this one right here still has more liquid in it, so I kind of pop it up a minute and get a little bit more air in there. Do it again. Those look pretty even to me. So then I take some more of my solution and I put it in there to sort of seal the bottom off. Once you got that, you can relax and let it go. No more air is going to get in there. Then you take your battery, and if you're using a setup, you can just touch it to the bottom here and start the reaction. Let's see if we can get close enough. There you can see the hydrogen and the oxygen both forming with through the bubbles there. And then if you want to let it sit for a little bit but not have to sit there and hold it, get your battery in the bottom and then sit your cup in there. And that will hold everything so that you can let it fill up, and we'll move on to doing the flame test here in a minute. So yeah, that's part one. Hopefully we'll get this all worked out so you guys can put these together in the classroom and see them at work. A little more close up of everything so you can see the bubbles. Yeah, not really from that side. But you're definitely getting it from this side. Let's see. Alright, we'll be back for part 2.